there. Well, we're at a little park west of Oklahoma City, and as you can see, they had this sort of, I guess, just pieces of wood in here, little merry-go-round, and I thought I'd just try to put on high conductance just to see what I might find. So let's start metal detecting. And as always, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. So let's go. Is that a penny? Don't hear anything. Sounds like it. Well, there it is. And there's a little bitty penny. There it is. And it looks like a, rub it off the grass, looks like a penny. A muddy penny. About the same place. Looks like it could be another penny. Yeah, I don't know, that's sort of out of picture, but there's another penny. We got a 33, 32, but it looks really solid. See the line there. It is. So, can throw that in the trash. Well, I got a 68, and it looks like it's some type of bottle cap of some sort. It's windy and cool here. Well, I found about 3 pennies in that park. And so I found this one here, and we're gonna go see what we can find with this one. It's about, I guess, about a half mile away or a mile away. But if you look over here, this looks like a good area to just walk back and forth to see what you can find. Of course, they have playground here and swings over there. So let's just go see what we can find. It's so windy, I have to have my headphones on because it's cold. To me, it's cold. But it looks like we might have something here. Maybe a quarter. It just popped right up. I'm going back over where I just dug. It appears that it might be another quarter down there. Ah, here it is. Right over in here. Well, you can't see it. I was just looking at the camera direction. So there's another quarter. That was, the first one was over here, and the other one was over in here. Boy, it's windy out here. might be more than one here, I'm not sure. Oh, can you see the quarter right there? There it is. Okay, it was a short day out here. So windy, it was miserable. So I thought I'd cut it short, but thanks so much for watching, and hopefully we'll have another video before too long.